Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put medium-length hair up. First, gather all your hair into a high ponytail right at the crown of your head. Make sure it's smooth and free of tangles. Then, secure it firmly with a good quality elastic band. Next, twist the ponytail into a neat bun, wrapping it around the base. Finally, use about 4 to 6 bobby pins to secure the bun tightly against your head, ensuring it feels stable and secure for hours. For an effortless half-up style, begin by sectioning the top half of your hair, drawing a line from one ear to the other. Gather this section smoothly at the back of your head, ensuring there are no bumps. Secure it with a small, discreet elastic band or a pretty decorative clip. This method keeps hair out of your face while allowing the bottom half to flow freely, offering a chic and simple look in under 2 minutes. To create a simple braided crown, start by making 2 loose, 3-strand braids, one on each side of your head. Once braided, bring both braids to the back of your head and cross them over each other. Secure the ends of the braids underneath the cross section using bobby pins, making sure they are hidden. For a softer, fuller look, gently pull on the loops of the braids to add a bit of volume and texture. For a quick and chic messy bun, first, tilt your head forward and gather all your hair into a high ponytail position. Next, twist the gathered hair loosely into a bun shape, wrapping it around itself. Secure it with an elastic band, allowing some ends to naturally peek out for that perfectly undone look. Finally, gently pull out a few small, face-framing pieces around your temples to soften the overall appearance, completing your effortless style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.